good at giving you amazing and great content that will improve your life, okay, in as much as it has done the same for me. So today I'm just going to take you through the binarycom interface. Hello guys, what's up, how you doing? How's everything going on there with you? Hope you are doing good, hope you are doing just fine. All right, this is When We're Baruna Monday, and this is our channel. Okay, we are still at 135 subscribers. Please do share our videos, do share my video so it can go out there to as many as possible. You know, you might change someone's life by just sharing a video to them. All right, let's just get this to 1,000 subscribers so that we know that we are moving to a permanent site. Okay, so if you are not already subscribed and you came across this video by virtue of YouTube search or maybe YouTube recommendation or by sharing option, please do well to subscribe and hit the like on this video. All right, I'm good at giving you amazing and great content that will improve your life, okay, in as much as it has done the same for me. So today I'm just going to take you through the binarycom interface. So now what we're just going to do right now is we're just going to use and log into an account that we'll be using as an example to do this. Okay, all right, so let's just go into one of an account that we'll be using for this tutorial. Okay, let's just take this as a tutorial for beginners to understand binarycom interface fully, because you cannot just jump into an house to operate or to do business without knowing fully how to operate, or let's just say you cannot just jump into a business without knowing every nook and crannies of that business, how it operates. So, you know, you need this to be successful in that particular business. Okay, so that's why we have to go through this. So let's just go to I believe I have to shorten my browser a bit for us to see everything that is going on. Okay, all right, I think that will be okay. So let me go to binarycom. Binary.com. All right, yes, okay. All right, I have to log into this particular account. This is what I'll be using to show you this. All right, I said binary.com, not binary, but please, binary.com. All right, those of you that are not already registered to this binary.com, what you just have to do is not far-fetched. Just go to simbanews.com, simbanews.com, banews.com, enter, and okay, go to my website simbanews.com, and you will see this banner, either this one, okay, always allow. Okay, you will see this banner, just hit it and sign up. You know, if someone mentioned binary.com, you might go out there, you know, so many people mistaking binary.com. When you refer to binary option, everybody thinks it's binary.com alone, so you might be registered onto another binary options instead of binary.com. So just go to my website www.simbanews.com and hit this binary.com, and then you will be registered. Okay, or if you are not or you could just hit this deriv banner here and you still be registered. Okay, you don't need to bother. The deriv and the binary banner are all the same. Okay, so now here we are. All right, I just have to log in here. Now log into this account. Login. This is the account I'll be using to show us whatever I want to show us today. Okay, so you can see this account doesn't really have much in it. Okay, it's just a demo account. So I I'm going to just take us through this interface, how to introduce you to the entire interface of binarycom. Alright, even if it's not all, I mean the details of what describe tab by tab what they all stand for. Now this is normally this is the official logo of binarycom. This is the first thing you see when you log on to binarycom. Alright, you might be seeing a banner display there. This is their new platform, which as time goes on I'm going to be describing them bit by bit to you for you to properly understand. It's a really sleek interface. Alright, but if you understand this particular interface well enough, you understand this one well enough to, there's nothing difficult there for you to understand. Okay, so now look at this. This we have up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tabs here. All right, let me start from the right. I'll start from the right, then move. I'll start from the right. All right, now this is where you switch between your real account and your virtual account, or whatever account that you have within binary.com. Now from this particular section, the BTC account you're seeing here, it's a BTC account that was created. I'm going to talk about that later. The situation where you can create BTC account within your binary.com account, and then you are able to transfer BTC directly to your binary.com and out of your binary.com at an instant. It doesn't need any long process for you to do that. Alright, you can switch also between your virtual account, okay, and your MetaTrader account. Allow this, and your MetaTrader account. Guys, if you do have one, if you've created one, you can see here I can't switch to MetaTrader because I have not created any account yet. So let's switch back to the Ray accounts, because there are some things that we need to show ourselves there. Alright, this is the Ray account. So this is where you make the switches. Alright, here is in English, so if you're not an English speaking from let's say English speaking region, you can choose your language from here: Espanol, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, and the rest of them. Alright, so here is settings where you can make some profile setting, restriction limits, trading security, and all of that. We're going to go about that some other time. Then here's resources where you can get your asset index, trading times, economic calendar, trading views, smart charts. All these resources helps you, aids you read the market effectively. Like the trading view is one of the most effective resources that you can ever look at here. It contains this is the chart. Okay, we just open it. It shows you how the market is going, when to enter or when not to enter, based on your own calculation. Then cashier is where you make all your deposit and withdraw. Where you make all your deposit, you can make your deposit by yourself or withdraw by yourself, or you can do that via a payment agent. Or there's a new mode based on the newly coded technology, the derived technology that just evolved. There's a new mode in which you can do this depositing and withdrawal within a sweep of 2 hours. If a few seconds, you have deposited your money into your account, and within a few seconds you have also withdrawn through their deriv.com app. So what I recommend you to do is check how to withdraw or deposit. I'm going to include the link within this video how to use the deriv.com app, and it operates based on region. Okay, so you just directly sell your dollar to fellow traders, and then you get it withdrawn from fellow traders and also those that are into the business within your region. And it's simple and safe. It's very safe. Okay, it's safe. So now what you have to do for you to be able to use that app effectively, you have to check out the video that I'm going to link in the description. Okay, so or maybe you see the video at the top here, maybe crossing somewhere around here. Alright, so now statement contains all your trading results, your losses, your gains. If you've been losing a trade, if you've been winning a trade, can all be seen in your statement. Whether loss or win, it will all be shown in your statement. Both withdrawal, depositing, all will be shown on your statement. Whether you withdrew or you deposited, they will all show in your statement. Okay, so that's what your statement contains. Okay, then the next thing is your profitable. Profitable shows your trade that you've conducted, whether it ended in profit or it ended in loss. Whether it ended in profit or it ended in loss. You can see some of these. You can see some of these. Okay. So statement shows your trade, entire trade, whether it's profit or it's a loss trade. So you can see something like this. This was, I guess, this was a very big stake though. $238. I think this should be, this ended in about, this 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It was a 5 minutes trade. Alright, so that's what statement shows you. Then portfolio shows you your current position, the amount that is in your account plus the current position. That is, if a trade is going on, it is shown here on your portfolio. Then the trades, you can see the trade has a drop down where you can go to smart trade. If you go to smart trade, you will see that this interface is the smart trade where you make all the transaction. Then you can see here you have web trader. Web trader, I don't think much people use web trader because you know, since it has its own feature. It can only, this web trader interface, maybe we'll talk about it next time, in another video. It can only be used on a laptop. Then we have the bot trade interface, where if you've been watching my videos, you must have seen me use a bot a couple of times, like display some bot couple of times, like you've seen some bot, how some bot work functions. Okay, that interface is a totally different interface. They are, once you register a simple account, if you've not registered an account on binarycom, just click on the link below. I'm going to display below to register your account, or just go to simbanews.com to register an account. So now, once you register a single account, you automatically, each of these interfaces automatically connected to just this single account you are seeing here. Your account is displayed by CRO. Real account is displayed by start with CROY. Virtual account start with VRTC, and then, you know, for deriv is DER or DRE or something. So click here. Here you have a bot, binary bot, MetaTrader 5 for those that have registered for MetaTrader 5. Then the deriv interface here, as long as here is concerned for now, the deriv interface is just an entire brand of the website altogether that needs a total introduction. You can see it's another trading interface where the binarycom is moving into. Okay, so now looking at this interface, these are just the major things that you need to know on this interface. Then on this MetaTrader, here is where you switch between market. Let's say we switch to volatility market, which binarycom is known for. Okay, here is where you purchase higher, here is where you purchase lower, then here is where you choose strategy, and then here is where you set your parameters and offset your trades. Okay, which if you've seen other of my videos, you would have seen that in details. If you scroll down below, you will see explanation explaining what each of the what the chart means. This here is where you can access the chart, and then below is an explanation. Then from here you can easily switch to minute or whichever time frame. Then if you scroll below here, you can see some other options which you can go through yourself, including their binary shop. Their binary shop that contains some I think I opened that in another tab. Their binary shop that contains some materials which you might be needing for your trading, like bots and like strategies and what have you. Okay, you can see some number of bots added here. Okay, all right, so you can see some number of bots here. There are so many of them. So On this interface you will see bot and every other thing. You can see this Bambi DOB. This is my product, Bambi DOB. You can see Barana Tradex Pro. So on this interface you have access to their bot and everything for their stuff. So this is basically a description of the entire binarycom interface. So if you understand this very well, because most people, when you get into a platform, a trading platform, you don't know how the other tab, you don't know if you mistakenly hit the other tab, something else will happen, or the other thing, something else will happen. Okay, like these things you're beeping here, I forgot to mention, whatever the number that is changing here is the current position in the market as measured time, the current price position as measured per time, or per tick, or per tick, because this is actually reading in tick, the current price in the market per tick as it's happening. Alright, so this is just the simple overview of the binarycom interface that everyone needs to know before you can begin trading on the interface. So if you've understood this particular thing, tutorial very well enough, you are good to go. You are not scared of the platform that you are operating with, because one thing that you need is a confidence to operate on the platform, and that confidence can only come when you understand everything that happened, or everything that the interface is ensued. Okay, so see you in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you are subscribed, then like the video, comments whatever challenges you are having on the interface, comments. I'll try my possible best to make video on it, and those of some persons here that even more advanced can even share their knowledge with you, and then you get some help. The world gets better by sharing. Okay, so comment, share, and see you in my next video. Okay, all right, bye bye, peace, love.